Okay, you're going to be checking pH in 2 different ways today. On that data table, it said color of pH paper and color of cabbage juice and the pH for each. So the procedures you wrote down were for cabbage juice first. So that's what these tubes here are for. You're going to use the hot plate to heat up the water to then pour over your cabbage and use that as an indicator. That's what that solution is called. Then you will add some of each of the solutions that you can see are over here on the lab counter. You'll add some of each of those. Do not cross-contaminate the tubes. And make sure that you are paying attention to which of these tubes you put it in. You can label them with tape if you would like. And then once you have added some of each of those solutions over here to each of your tubes here, then you're going to use this chart that there is one at each station to compare the color to write down what the color of the cabbage juice, what color that solution is. The second way you're going to test pH is with pH paper. So you're going to come over to the solutions that are over here, and you're going to use pH paper, which are in these little tubes that look like this. They have color blocks on the outside that tell you the pH for that specific color. So you want to make sure that when you take one of these little pH papers, you take one and you're going to dip it in the solution. So I'm going to do baking soda. You're going to dip it right in the solution. It's going to change color. Then you're going to compare that to the outside of the tube to see what it is. So here you can see it's kind of in between 8 and 10, so I would say the pH of baking soda is 9. So that's going to be the 2 different ways you're going to test for pH. When you're waiting for your water to boil or for it to cool down, you can be doing this and testing all these solutions with your pH paper. Make sure that you're using your time when you're waiting, otherwise you will not get done. And also make sure that you use your hot plate responsibly and that you always wear goggles when you are using the hot plate.